Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how you can take a t-shirt and cut the back out. So when you're all done, it's going to look like this with a nice open back. Here we go. So we're going to take just a plain t-shirt and lay it out like that. So you're going to grab the front center of the collar and pull it until these shoulder seams on each side of the collar meet. Now we're going to flip it onto its side like this. So you're just going to line up the collar, making sure this collar is stacked on top of each other and it's nice and smooth all around the collar. We're just going to take a good pair of fabric scissors and we're going to start cutting about 2 fingers below the collar. You're just going to go straight in, follow the curve of the collar, but come to meet the shoulder seam where it meets this neckline right there. So we'll just curve up and we're going to stay close to the collar for the back. And we're done. We're going to leave it folded like that, and now we're going to cut down the back. So now it's folded out nice and smooth, and this is a fold down the center back. Now we're just going to cut a big circle out of the back of the shirt, but leaving space at the top for that to stay in place. So we'll just go like this. You can cut whatever shape you want. I'm just doing a circle. Like that. And now you can put your scissors in here and we're going to cut this open. So now this part is open at the bottom. Perfect. So now we have the open of the back and these parts are open so that you can tie it up when you put it on. The last thing we're going to do is just make these sleeves a bit shorter. So I'm just going to cut off about 3 fingers width from the bottom of the sleeve. You can cut off however much you want. And then use this piece, put it over top of the other t-shirt sleeve. And now we're going to use that to show us how much to cut off this sleeve. This sleeve. Perfect. So now you're going to try it on and you have these 2 pieces like this. We're just going to turn around and tie them together at the back. So now it's like an open back, really cool shirt, nice and breezy for summer, and still looks great from the front. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.